You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. One plant can turn an ordinary garden into a living masterpiece of color without even needing flowers. If you are looking for a plant that instantly upgrades your garden, patio, balcony, or indoor space, Coleus is your perfect match. Known for its vibrant foliage in shades of red, pink, lime green, burgundy, purple, yellow, and even near black, Coleus is one of the easiest plants for beginners in the United States to grow successfully. Whether you live in Florida's humid warmth, California's mild coastal climate, Texas heat, or the cooler northern states, Coleus adapts beautifully when given the right care. Coleus is loved across America because it thrives in containers, garden beds, hanging baskets, and even indoors near bright windows. Unlike many flowering plants that bloom briefly, Coleus provides continuous color from spring through fall. With simple care routines and a few easy techniques, you can grow lush, bushy Coleus that looks professionally landscaped. Let's walk step by step through everything you need to know to grow healthy Coleus, including light, temperature, watering, fertilizing, pruning, and solving common problems. Coleus thrives best in bright, indirect light or partial shade. In most U.S. climates, morning sun with afternoon shade is ideal. If you live in southern states like Florida, Texas, Arizona, or Georgia, protect Coleus from intense afternoon sunlight. Too much harsh sun can cause leaf scorch, faded colors, or crispy edges. In northern states such as Michigan, Ohio, or New York, Coleus can handle more sunlight, especially in spring and early summer. The key is observing your plant. If leaves look vibrant and firm, your lighting is correct. If colors fade or leaves wilt despite moist soil, reduce direct sun exposure. For indoor growers, place Coleus near an east-facing window for gentle morning light. South-facing windows work too, but sheer curtains help filter strong rays. Without enough light, Coleus becomes leggy, stretched, and loses its bold coloration. If natural light is limited, a simple grow light positioned 12–18 inches above the plant can maintain compact growth and vibrant foliage. Temperature is a critical role in Coleus success. Coleus loves warm. Ideal temperatures range between 65 degrees F and 85 degrees F. In most parts of the U.S., clearly from late spring until early fall. It does not tolerate frost. Even a light frost can damage or kill the plant. That means outdoor planting should wait until all danger of frost has passed in your region. In colder zones, bring potted Coleus indoors before nighttime temperatures drop below 50 degrees F. Inside the home, maintain temperatures above 60 degrees F for steady growth. Soil is the foundation of healthy Coleus. It prefers well-draining, rich, and slightly moist soil. Heavy clay soil that stays soggy can cause root rot. For garden beds, mix compost into native soil to improve drainage and fertility. For containers, use high-quality potting mix rather than garden soil. A good mix retains moisture but drains excess water quickly, keeping roots healthy. Now let's talk about the most important factor beginners often struggle with: watering. Coleus enjoys consistently moist soil, but not waterlogged conditions. The correct watering routine is simple. Check the top inch of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels slightly damp, wait another day. During hot summer months, container-grown Coleus may need watering every day. In cooler weather, watering may be needed only 2 or 3 times per week. Always water at the base of the plant rather than overhead. Wet leaves can increase the risk of fungal problems. Make sure pots have drainage holes so excess water can escape. If you notice yellowing leaves and soft stems, that often indicates overwatering. If leaves droop and feel thin or dry, underwatering is likely the cause. Healthy roots are the secret behind lush Coleus foliage. To encourage strong root development, water deeply rather than lightly. Deep watering allows moisture to reach the full root zone. Shallow watering leads to weak, surface roots that dry out quickly. Fertilizing helps Coleus maintain its brilliant leaf color. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Too much fertilizer can cause rapid, weak growth, so follow label directions carefully. If leaves appear pale, a mild feeding can restore vibrancy. For container plants, regular feeding is especially important because nutrients wash out through drainage holes. Pruning is one of the best techniques to achieve full, bushy Coleus plants. Without pruning, Coleus may grow tall and leggy. Simply pinch off the top growing tip when the plant reaches about 6 inches tall. This encourages side branching and creates a fuller appearance. Continue pinching every few weeks for compact growth. If flower spikes appear, remove them promptly. While the small flowers are not harmful, they divert energy away from foliage production. Removing flower spikes keeps the plant focused on producing bold leaves. Propagation is another exciting benefit of growing Coleus. You can easily create new plants from cuttings. Snip a healthy 4-6-inch stem below a leaf node, remove lower leaves, and place the cutting in water. Within 1 to 2 weeks, roots will form. Once roots are about an inch long, transplant into soil. This is a fantastic way to multiply your favorite varieties without spending extra money. Now let's address common problems and simple solutions. If you notice faded color, the plant may be receiving too much sun. Move it to partial shade. If leaves turn yellow and soil feels soggy, reduce watering and improve drainage. If plants become ledgy and stretched, increase light exposure and prune regularly. Pests such as aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies may occasionally appear. Inspect leaves weekly, especially the undersides. If pests are spotted, spray with a gentle insecticidal soap or rinse with a steady stream of water. Maintaining proper airflow around plants reduces pest and fungal issues. Powdery mildew can develop in humid conditions with poor air circulation. To prevent this, space plants properly and avoid overhead watering. Removing affected leaves early helps stop spread. Coleus works beautifully in landscape design. Pair bright lime green Coleus with deep purple varieties for dramatic contrast. Use them in border plantings, mass displays, container arrangements, or as focal points in shaded gardens. Because Coleus foliage provides season-long color, it fills gaps where flowering plants fade. For indoor decor, Coleus adds vibrant personality to living rooms, offices, and kitchens. Choose compact varieties for small spaces. Rotate pots occasionally so all sides receive light evenly. Seasonal care is simple. In colder regions, treat Coleus as an annual or bring cuttings indoors before frost. In warmer southern states, it may behave as a tender perennial if protected from cold snaps. The beauty of Coleus lies in its flexibility. It forgives beginner mistakes, responds quickly to pruning, and rewards proper care with explosive color. Even first-time gardeners can achieve professional-looking results. If you've been hesitant to start gardening, Coleus is the perfect confidence-building plant. It grows quickly, adapts easily, and delivers instant visual impact. Now is the time to transform your space with vibrant foliage. Grow boldly, experiment with colors, mix varieties, fill containers, create living art in your backyard. Start today, nurture consistently, and watch your Coleus flourish into a masterpiece of living color. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more seasonal plant guides, gardening tips, and simple techniques to build a thriving garden all year long. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.